pas enregistré, l'entraîneur qui est enregistré. Et vous savez très bien que si un père n'est pas là, la maison est vide. Donc malheureusement, les enfants, la maison a été vide et puis le voleur est venu entrer. Donc.
Yes, the opponent we could say the opponent was a very good opponent. They know how to play. Unfortunately, we came here to have a good result to go with, but we were faced with the issues of the coach. The coach could not be registered in the system, and in a house, when the father is not there, the kids are left alone. So we realized that the kids were left alone, the players were left alone in my absence. That's what happened to us. But in the end, the opponent.
Okay. A few checks I did prior to this game against Iswat.
Le dernier match on a joué c'est contre Jamalek qui a tenu en tenue la Jamalek. Donc
so just to correct, the last game we played in the Confederation was against Zamalek. Unfortunately, not to them.
L'objectif de l'Elec Sport cette année, c'était de se qualifier. Ce qui est sur la première manche est parti, on a pris 3-0 ici. L'autre match va se jouer chez nous. Et on a vu l'équipe jouer parce qu'on était arrivé dans les communes, connaissant pas l'équipe, connaissant pas comment ils jouent. Là, on connaît à peu près l'équipe parce que la première partie, comme je vous ai dit, les enfants étaient seuls. Ils étaient paniqués parce qu'il n'y a pas quelqu'un pour les orienter. Là, en seconde partie, on les a parlé, c'était nettement mieux. Mais ce qui est sûr, il y aura un match de retour très difficile pour eux également.
Okay, so yes, the objective of TP Elect this year especially was to qualify to the group stage, and that's the reason why we came here. That was the first opportunity we came here. We all watched the game. Like I said earlier on, the players were left alone to this game. We conceded 3 goals, and there was nobody to guide them. There was nobody to lead them. But as we all can see, after the first half, we went in to talk to them. And that was the result that we all watched in the second half. All I can say is that the second game was going to be a tough one for the opponents back in the home league. And we have another 90 minutes to play, and I can tell you that we are good.
D'abord, je voudrais vous faire comprendre que sur le plan africain, Elec est au-dessus de cette équipe. Elec joue constamment la Coupe de la CAF, donc on n'a pas à avoir peur de cette équipe. Le problème, c'est comme je vous ai dit, les enfants, quand ils ont leur entraîneur, ils se comportent différemment. Nous, on respecte cette équipe, mais on n'a pas à avoir peur de cette équipe parce que ce n'est pas une équipe sur le plan africain, il n'est pas encore au niveau de l'Export parce que chaque année, l'Export représente le pays. Ça, c'est deuxièmement, ceux qui sont entrés, on a travaillé un groupe et finalement, à 2 jours de la compétition, la CAF nous a dit que certains de nos joueurs ne doivent pas prendre part. Et là également, on a laissé 10 joueurs à la maison qui n'ont pas pris. Les 10 joueurs là, c'est eux qui nous ont même pris le titre de championnat. Aujourd'hui, ils ne sont pas là. Donc l'équipe là est préparée pour jouer. Même les remplaçants, c'est un problème de choix. Donc aujourd'hui, le choix est fait pour ceux qui sont sur le terrain. Mais ça ne veut pas dire qu'ils sont mauvais. Donc nous, on s'est préparé sincèrement pour venir se qualifier. On n'a pas besoin d'avoir peur de cette équipe parce qu'on connaît les grandes équipes du Ghana. C'est les Ashanti, les Siarzoko et Soatreman. Donc ceux-là, ils sont moins réalistes.
Okay, so yes, the issue didn't have to do with the fact that we respected them and we were afraid of them. We had a bit of challenge in the first place. The squad that even won the league for us in the country, we had about 10 of the players that were not able to make it to the squad due to registration challenges. So yes, we had full time to prepare the squad to come and play, and we are still working on knowing them better and what that's the way to see some of it. But like I said, we did coming to this game. We didn't know Shachiman very well. We didn't know them, and this game has given us a clear chance of knowing the team. And when it comes to the African stage, we believe that TP Elect is ahead of Shachiman because every year TP Elect plays Champions League, and in every single year that like TP Elect plays. And we all know we are not saying that Shachiman is ahead of us. Because we know the big teams in Ghana, and the big teams in Ghana are Sati Kotoko and Accra has also. But Swat Iman, it's our first time we are when it comes to Africa, you can say yeah.
Okay, we'll take.
Un scandale que je qualifierais de très grave parce que je suis surpris que ce soit ici qu'on me dise que je ne suis pas enregistré à la CAP. Pourtant, je suis l'entraîneur de U23 de notre pays. J'ai pris le U17, j'ai fait toutes les catégories. Personne ne m'a dit que je n'avais pas les qualificatifs pour être devant un match. Et ce qui m'a beaucoup fait mal, c'est qu'aujourd'hui, on est arrivé au Ghana, le Ghana qu'on considère comme un grand pays, que ce scandale puisse se passer dans ce pays. Vraiment, je suis simplement désolé parce que pour moi, ça ne donne pas une bonne image de notre football africain. Si nous voulons que le football africain se développe, il est temps que nous gagnons normalement sur le terrain, que nous méritions notre qualification et non faire des combines qui sont pareilles. Sincèrement, je ne sais pas comment le qualifier, mais c'est indigne de notre continent. Quand un entraîneur, déjà avec l'équipe nationale, est là, et il entraîne l'équipe nationale et subitement il arrive dans un pays, on dit qu'il n'est pas qualifié. Vraiment, je ne sais pas quel mot employer, surtout que dans un pays que nous considérons beaucoup comme le Ghana.
Okay, so the scandal had to do with the confrontation between him, the coach, and the match commissioner. And explanation was like, for a coach who has been a national team coach, been with the U23, U20, very surprising to hear for the first time that he doesn't have a registration in the system or is not registered with CAF. And he's so sad because this is the very first time that is happening. To really say that it's happening in Ghana, in a country where Ghana is that is known for football, it's very, very sad. It's very, very sad.
Ok, je vous remercie par rapport à la question posée. Nous sommes toujours confiants. C'est pas seulement qu'on a perdu 3-0 qu'on dit que non, c'est déjà l'autre à oublier. Nous, on connaît maintenant l'équipe et on connaît aussi notre qualité. On connaît aussi tout ce que les entraîneurs techniciens ils ont pour nous donner. Donc nous sommes toujours confiants. Dès qu'on rentre là, on se pose des questions pour faire comment pour renverser maintenant la vapeur. On fait tout de notre mieux pour calibrer et pour partir vers là-bas. C'est pas aujourd'hui qu'on joue les Champions League ou bien Confédération. On est toujours habitué. Et ça, c'est parce qu'on a perdu le match aller qu'on va dire que non, c'est bon. Non, non. On va se donner à fond et on va arracher notre qualification. On va rentrer maintenant tête. Merci pour votre question.
We are always. It is not because we've lost today's game that we will say it's a done deal. Right now, as we get back to the hotel, we are going to go and have a take a test and have the conversation, have discussion, and see how we can do and get the needed result back at home. And we have been playing Champions League and Confederation Cup for a while now. So this is not anything that will discourage us. We'll go back home and then try and do our best.
Toute équipe au monde, il y a ses points forts, il y a ses points faibles. Donc on a vu l'équipe. Vous-même vous avez constaté qu'à la deuxième partie, on a pris le dessus. Donc on sait très bien qu'avec les aides de nos techniciens, on va faire vraiment de notre mieux pour remplacer les vapeurs. Ça veut dire que les points faibles de l'équipe, nous on sait. Nos entraîneurs savent déjà. Donc les 3 ou 4 jours qu'on a travaillé, on sait très bien que non, on va mettre maintenant le travail au niveau de Yaoundé et puis on va préparer notre match pour que nous également de notre tour maintenant, on va aussi remplacer la vapeur. On ne va aussi utiliser chaque fois nos points faibles seulement. On a vu déjà l'équipe, donc nous également on va seulement utiliser toute la force possible pour être au-dessus de l'équipe sur le match de tour. Et la deuxième question, ça veut dire qu'on quitte ici, on part à Yaoundé pour se reposer et préparer notre match retour en bonne et due forme.
Okay, so our club in this world has strengths and has weaknesses, and that goes to the Stratman team. We watch them today, our coaches also watch them today, and the few 3 or 4 days that we are going to have ahead of the game, we are going to work together with the coaches to make sure how we can also capitalize. The same way they also capitalize on our weaknesses and score as the 3 goals, we are also going to work on our weaknesses and capitalize on that, and make sure we can also change the scores back in the way. Second question is, then right from here in Ghana, you are going straight to your room.
Alright, so Tokomo.
Hey.
One name or two?
Okay. Coach, my name is Colin Gaines, Multimedia. Please, we had a head coach.
Football is full of surprises. I've been in the game for a very long time, and I know when you underrate your opponent, they will hurt you. Fine, we won 3-0. Second half, there was a lot of hiccups, and we need to work on it. And first of all, all we need to do is make sure that we recuperate very well, and then make sure our tactics really worked when we go back there. Because, like the coach said, it's not done. And I believe I've seen a lot, and I believe it's still not done. We still have a lot of work to do, but I'm happy we're able to score 3 goals. But still, the work is not done yet. Like everybody knows, Swatreman is a very small town. For us to come to Accra Sports Stadium and score 3 goals against a team that has been participating in CAF Confederation and Champions League, I'm proud of the boys. We go in, relax, make sure a few days we put patches together, but we have to make sure we still wake up because nothing is done yet. I strongly believe they will come on us and we have to be ready for it.
All right, George.
We're proud of Dreams, what they did. They were also a new team. Nobody knew them in Africa. They went in there, did their job very well. And like I said in one of my interviews, we're taking it one level at a time. I don't want to put pressure on the boys. Dream had different opponents, and they were able to, Zito is my boss, and like he keeps telling me, yeah, take it game after game. So all we need to do is make sure we finish this game, this hurdle, and then we'll wait for the next opponent, and then we'll think about that. For now, and then your second question is
your personal objective, juggling.
Yeah, it's gonna be very difficult. So the squad needs to be very big, and everybody has to be on board. Personally, I think we didn't have a good game in the second half, and we need to work on that because the load and the pressure on the starting 11, the speed we use, the energy we use was very, very high. Intensity was very, very high. So second half, I think we dropped a bit, and I was expecting those who came in to inject more energy into it, but over elaboration and everything cost us. But it's part of the game. We learn from it. So we still have FA Cup, we have the league, we have so we need everybody to be on board.
All right.
Red card, the you know. I feel now, yeah, you lose your focus like that. And majority of the boys, apart from Isaka, I don't think say will be up on any international match we won. Maybe grab the passport to that thing say after no more passport. You get me? Let's make sure say we don't bring them down, sir. Second half, Mimi will say energy no call from Kakra. You started Jumanche, I think it's about 3 weeks. 3 weeks. You started and a couple of stage wake up. If you say you are the buyer, the year and a year 3 weeks, energy they do a beer, a bed drop. They are learning. They are learning where to when the energy drops and how to make more simple. No, but you were Jumaye, you home. Now few days here once and ever for you started another strategy the cover.
Short we
second me twisted system no so kakra. Mobile na me twisted system kakra, and I think say that part no so no high because energy need drop here no. Now me twisted system na can say if me I after more than 1 or 2 goals. The chances came, and in the box I am way to my the me demand me nyonko the money if any say no. The composure our box me and share and yasa if any composure and then we create here I get a bit much 6, 7 we had it, but a new team inexperienced, a lot of inexperienced players, and like I said in the camp before, I'm very proud of them, and I know said there's still more work to be done.
Abdul Rahman Mohammed.
It's if anything, we played against experienced team. What you say, Omwako Africa, and Omunim how, Omunim send a ball draw away. You sure of records, you himself, Omunim send, and you don't underrate such a team. They be of Africa. Yeah, first time I have Africa. First time I have plans to attend my international match. Our class was here. And gave the with our supporters and fans behind us, and I gave it my different. But I like it. Look, when the game is on and goalkeeper Okoda, always say you start here na pressure be on some Bobby Koya, one big ball, and we spoke to him. But this is a sign of a good goalkeeper. Anything at all can happen out of nothing. Free kick no year, any one Bobby or year, and that shows say a teamwork. It do so now so what now they are saving team.
This is a opportunity for us to play. You know, every player has the dream to go higher in his career, and this is the first time Shadraman participating in that view. I think the boys are well organized, well prepared, and we are well determined that we need to push it harder. It's going to be match after match. You know, it's the first time we play in Africa, so what we have to do is listen to the strategies from the technical side, and then we play sacking ourselves, motivating ourselves, and then we get it to the top level. So wherever we get to, is a determination that will take us.
I wanted more goals. There was opportunity for us to kill it. You know, when you kill it and you can cut it record. Because I thought when they went down, 10 men, that's the time for us to stick to the system, stick to the formation, and make sure that we don't lose our head. Because 10 men a team with 10 men is very, very dangerous. And they were looking for just one goal. We saw it, they were looking for just a goal. That would change the face of the game. But I wanted the boys to feel my energy. Again, we wanted them to feel my energy that is not yet done. Like I said earlier on, it's an inexperienced team playing against a very experienced team. So this is not the GPL, this is Confederation Cup. And you need to be on your toes 90 minutes plus. That was the reason why I was a bit restless, because I didn't want the boys to go to sleep, even though we were leading 3-0.
Okay,
like I said earlier, we are new in the system to play CAF. We are not much experienced like how other people have gained experience in the CAF. Then to play a first match home and then winning 3-0, well, it's a good result for us. But we thought we could have scored more than 3. At the end of the game, we scored 3. I mean, it's okay for us, but that means we need to work harder. Because going there, we need to defend higher, we need to give the instructions from the coach, whereby we could not concede. So that at least, if we could get to the point that we need to defend 3 goals there, it's a plus to us. But for here, we scoring 3 goals, I think we are a bit okay. Yeah, we are okay for that.
Yeah, like I said earlier, I twisted it a bit because I saw the energy of the boys being down. So I needed to inject more energy. But substitution sometimes when they come in and they try to over elaborate, it goes against the team. I can say it's a lesson, a lesson from their part. They are learning from it. So next time, if it happens this way, that means we are not learning. Complacency, especially in the second half when we were leading 3-0. Complacency came in, especially from some of those who came in.
All right, George. Last one.
So, Coach, this is not in relation to today's game, but of course it has to do with the CAF Confed Cup.
Yeah, it's just more money.
Yeah. Okay. Last
game. Home and away games, no most of the time, we are social 3 years. Social 3 no one consider a boy. We have to score 3 or more.
Okay.
We have to score 3 or more. And a buy, but more than the count. You have 3 more.